morning ride. Check out this bag, the Dry Pouch Dash. The everyday adventure bag. Because let's be honest, we're not exploring all the time. We're just riding through the woods in our mini dirt bike. But summer, we got waist pouch LV2, we got waist pouch large. Isn't that motorsport too? So ever since we launched the Motorsport series, we've been working on an everyday version. Because to be honest, not everybody is traveling and not everybody needs a bag this big. So this is where this bag comes in. So this bag is built really well. It's super tough, durable, and it's gonna hold up to your everyday tasks. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Looks fine, no problem at all. I think one of the best things about this bag is the roll top feature. Let me give you a hands-on on this bag. The interior is huge enough for your everyday item, like your wallet, your keys, your phone. It even can fit a camera with lens and an action camera. In a particular ride like this, through the woods or even in the rain, this works really well. It is a fun little bag for your fun little adventure, and you don't even need to bring the whole stuff. Just sling it. So one thing that is most annoying about a waist pouch is whenever you want to close your bag that is a zip, you can't really zip it that well with one hand. But with Dry Pouch Dash, you can just access your stuff with one hand. And now, just close the bag and buckle. That's all you need to do. The Dry Pouch Dash comes in two different colors to choose from. We have the classic black and the camouflage grey alpha. Same thing as always, check out the purchase link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to get the next update on our Turbo Try test. See you again. Go up. Woo!